So hi guys, I have a Kia Mojave. Check engine light is blinking. See that? And that's a blinking light. So there's a code here. It's a cylinder 5 misfire. So it's a B6 cylinder. Bye bye. Hey. Good. So there's this engine. Easy move, please. The engine is vibration. There's a number 5 here under the intake manifold, so I need to remove this intake manifold. Let's start to remove the intake manifold. So first this. And this. So this is the intake manifold. It's removed now. So this is the cylinder number 5. I need to remove the ignition coil and check the spark plug and compression. And this is the ignition coil, and the inside is the spark plug. I need to remove that. Need to remove the spark plug. So the spark plug is damaged. Let's fix the compression first using this compression tester. So start. Lagi ka? Start. Up. Start. Kelas. Start. Up. Tapi. Kelas. So the compression is good. You say 150. So the problem here is only the spark plug. It's damaged. I need to change this spark plug. Okay. Kelas bay, syukur lang bay. Kelas. Need to change all the spark plug. 6 spark plug change. Right here. There's a 3 spark plug here. And the left or right side is a 3 spark plug. And that's a 6 cylinder. All is to change the spark plug. And I have a new spark plug here. New one. Need is to put 3 here and 3 over there. So after installing a spark plug, you need to come back the intake manifold. Just clean this first. And then it come back. Then guys, tapos na. It's finished. Now let's start the car. Okay, good. The check engine light is gone. So let's check the scanner again if there's a misfire. Travel codes. Oh, there's no code. Now the car is good. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Bye.